Hey, make sure you hit the subscribe button if you like this epic content we are throwing up. And remember, hit that notification bell anytime I upload a video. And lastly, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. That being said, comic book fans, let's begin.
Final checks. Prepped and ready. Blurr? We're clear. Readings are good. Do it. Disengage. Set for launch. Blurr! 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 Over here, Blurr! This way, Blurr! This is incredible. You set a new track record again. Won't stand for long. A challenge this late in the game? Check the boards. Fast track who's aced every championship this season. You, Blurr. Got that right, pardon. Oh, it's Piston. Sure. So, the guys and I were thinking, maybe we should celebrate. We've been working so hard and... Celebrate? That doesn't even begin to describe what we're going to be doing tonight. Really? For sure. Great. Well, we thought we could go. Hey, there's only one place to go on a night like this. The circle? Drinks are on me. The circle? But bots like us, we can't get in there. Come on, let's clear up the gear. He's here! Blurr! Blurr, over here! Can you believe he gets driven around? Look at him. Blurr, congratulations on yet another victory. Blurr, how does it feel? Undefeated? Blurr, what are your thoughts on the current political unrest? Excuse me? What is your stance on the current political upheaval on Cybertron and what it means to the... Political what now? Surely you know what's been happening. You do watch the news. Pal, I don't watch the news. I am the news. Another round. Check that out. Simultronic reality inside reality. Brain fright. Who could ever want to run from a world like this? More Energon. Hey, don't you guys ever slow down? Slow? You insult us. Wealth, fame, and endless upgrades. Racing forever! I'm telling you, the races are over. You can't do this! I'm not. This comes all the way from Zeta Prime. The races are shut down until further notice. Something about a terrorist threat to the public safety. Whatever, either way, we're done. Get out of here, will ya? Making me feel bad. Blurr? Oh hey, Piston. It's okay, it doesn't matter. You're clearing out your things? You know the races might. I don't care if they come back. It's not about the racing anymore. Here. This is where I'm going. They're called the Autobots. They need our help. All of us. The what is this, some party thing? Cybertron is changing, Blurr. Pretty soon, you'll need to choose a side. These are the good guys. They're here to help. Listen, I don't need your help, okay? Or your little support group. The races might be over for now, but the parties aren't. Catch my drift? Good luck, Blurr. This place still dead? It's a war zone out there, haven't you noticed? Just give me a bottle. Knock yourself out. Now, why would you want to do that?
I always felt that was a province of the weak, not the strong.
Who are you?
A friend. Tell me, have you ever really felt remorse? Loss? Let me put it this way, how much do you really care about those around you?
If this is going to be another conversation about how cold and arrogant I am, trust me, I've heard it all before.
From people scared of your gifts? No doubt. Believe me when I tell you, I understand you better than anyone you've ever known. For example, what do you really care about?
Racing?
Just the racing?
No. The crowds, when I can feel them behind me. The lights, the roar, and that one moment, that one single moment when I know what I'm doing really matters.
Power. It's power you care about. Power over the crowd. Power over those around you. You have a single-minded devotion to achieve. You have little time for those around you and care only for what you want, what you can get. Others would have you believe these be abhorrent qualities, not us. What we believe is simple, only the strong should rule. You are strong, Blurr. You're superior to everyone around you. I represent a group that exists to bring freedom to those like yourself. Freedom from a regime that seeks to deprive us of what we truly deserve, one that took away your dream.
Wait a minute, you're those Autobots.
My group could really use someone with your gifts, Blurr. Someone with your clarity. All those races, all those victories, and you still felt hollow, didn't you? Rule or serve? You don't know what to do. Stay down! They're getting away!
They're gone. We lost them. Somebody get me command. Friends of yours? His name is Piston. I know. I met him once, briefly. It's a tragedy. How long has it been since Cybertron has witnessed death? Death to those who haven't chosen it. You're a racer, aren't you? Yes. I've met some of your kind before. You're a special breed. Enough, okay? Enough. I've had it with bots telling me who and what I am. You're wasting your time, kid. This one's just a pampered, arrogant little upstart. What would you know, old relic? A lot, actually. But in this case, he's wrong. At least partially. To those around you, you might seem abrupt, arrogant, but that's just a byproduct of your gift. You're able to process life and death decisions at lightning speed. I admit, I'm quite envious of your confidence to do so. Your kind rarely shows hesitation. Yeah? I'm so wonderful? Tell that to him. Tell that to all the others I ignored. It's only arrogance if that strength and focus of yours is turned inwards. Optimus, move your tailpipe. We need to find a way to save Prime. I have. That group of Decepticons we were fighting are an assassination team. Their target is Zeta Prime. This isn't my fight. Transmissions between here and the Citadel have been disabled. They have some sort of powerful communications bot. We'll try to get there to warn them, of course, but we'll fail. None of us is fast enough. Makes no difference to me. Stay out of it, and you get to keep your old life? I like my old life. Do you? Cybertron's golden age, and we're quietly dying a slow death. We're lost, and they're taking advantage of it. All those times in the arena, was it in the victories that kept you going? Or was it the chance to constantly inspire others to strive for more? You can still be an inspiration, Blurr. Who are you? Just a soldier, like you. You really think that Trinket's got what it takes? What do you really care about? Racing? Just the racing? No! The crowds, when I could feel them behind me. The lights, the roar. And that one moment. That one single moment when I know what I'm doing really matters.
Alright, so this will conclude the IDW All Hail Megatron book number 3, chapter 1. And I found this chapter really fascinating because they took you all the way back to the beginning of the war when it started, and the main focus was on Blurr. And yes, I know who Blurr is as a character, and like I said before at the beginning of this series, I'm familiar with all these characters in an animated format, but not in a comic book format. And it's really interesting to see the dialogue between Blurr and Optimus Prime. I really like that, man. I thought that was completely fascinating. So I'd like to know your thoughts on this chapter. Let me know in the comments below what you thought, alright? And if you like this type of content, please like, share, and subscribe. When you subscribe, let me know in the comment section that you subscribed, and I'll respond to you shortly. Remember, stay tuned for IDW All Hail Megatron, book number 3, chapter 2. So until next time, peace.
If you like what you see, like and subscribe right now.